Hello. Welcome to how to install Windows 11 without a USB drive. This method applies to both supported and unsupported hardware. Let's get started. Note that this is a clean install, so all data on your computer will be destroyed. So you should back up your data before following the steps. You go to the home page and download the latest installer. Then you download the Windows 10 installer. Why do you need the Windows 10 installer? Because I use it to install Windows 11. I don't use the entire Windows 10 installer files. I will guide you how to use it in the next steps. After you finish downloading the installer, you create a new partition on your computer. You can use an existing partition, but I recommend you create a new one. On my computer there is only one large partition, so I shrink it. You don't need to partition too big, it just needs enough space to store the operating system installation. You only need a partition with the above size. After completing the creation of the new partition, I mount the Windows 10 installation to copy the files. You copy all the files to the newly created partition. But this is the old version of the operating system installation and I have to customize it. I delete the main installation file. It is the largest in size and it is in the source folder. I want to install the latest version of the operating system. So I mount the latest Windows 11 installation. Among the files, I am only interested in the largest file located in the source folder. This is the main file to install the operating system. I copy it to the partition that stores the installation on the hard drive. In the partition, there are all the files I need. So I have an installation that I need. Next, you open the command window. I use the command to boot the recovery and repair mode. After restarting your computer, the repair window will boot Repair, Restore. Why do I have to put my computer in repair mode? Because I want to delete all the current partitions, except the partition that stores the installation file. I named that partition so that it won't be deleted by mistake. If that partition is deleted, it's bad. In the repair screen, you open the command window. You list the partitions on the hard drive. With the list of partitions, you know which partition stores the operating system installation file. Then you browse to that partition. Next, you run the setup file to start installing the operating system. Now you just need to install Windows 11 like when you use a USB drive. You delete all the current partitions to install Windows 11. These are the steps to install Windows 11 without a USB drive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck. You can install using an online account or a local account if you want. In this case, I use a local account. After completing, you can delete the partitions store the installer. And to take advantage of it, you extend the current partition to avoid wasting resources.